Everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'll show you a simple way how you can add a YouTube video to your Editorix website. So what you want to do is just click here, add elements, and then you're going to see media here, right? And you're going to single video players. You have YouTube, Facebook, Daily Motion Video, Upload, Vimeo. So click on YouTube, and now you just want to make it like big, and then you can also add a text or whatever and change video. And then you just like, what's the video address? Like, I don't know.
So in this video,
I'm going to choose this one here. You can also make it autoplay or play in loop. And yeah, this is pretty much it how we do it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.